This pattern is wonderfully simple. We alternate just 2 stitches, and there is no right or wrong side. This stitch pattern pairs perfectly with the selvedge technique I'll show you in the video. Cast on a multiple of 3, plus 2, plus edge stitches. Begin with the edge stitch, which is a yarn over and slip one. This is your edge stitch at the beginning of every row. Then start the pattern. From now on, whenever you see that little cross strand covering 2 stitches, purl the first. Knit 1 through the back loop. Do not drop the stitch yet, but knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. Then drop the stitch. That's it. This is one full repeat. Repeat this sequence to the end of the row, and finish with the edge stitch by knitting the last 2 stitches together. At the end of this row, and in every row where the first stitch after the edge stitch is a purl, you'll have 1 stitch left before the edge stitch. Knit that stitch through the back loop, and finish with the edge stitch by knitting the last 2 stitches together. Turn your work. We'll knit the pattern exactly the same way, with only a small change at the beginning and end of the row. Begin with the edge stitch, which is a yarn over and slip one. Knit 1 through the back loop. Do not drop the stitch yet, but knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. Then drop the stitch. Now purl 1. Repeat this sequence until 2 stitches remain before the edge stitch. Then knit 1 through the back loop and knit 2 stitches together through the back loop. And finish with the edge stitch. Enjoy your knitting!